I'm a bit distracted because of Rocky. Hey Elvis. Oh, Sally. Oh, it's okay. Okay. Hey Dolly. Okay. New friends. Hey. Hallo. Yveske. Boukje. Hey. Hey, Boukje. Hallo. En Blomke. Hey. Where are you? Over there. Hey. Oh, Blomke and Belle. 2 years old. Both. Boukje and Yveske. And I thought I saw something with Yveske, her nose. Oh. I thought the bump was a bit smaller, but no. Sorry. Teije Rein. Sally. Elvis. Reintje. She's drinking from the ditch. Dolly. En Reisje. Hey. And here are the sheep. Hey, hey. Adeline. Hey, hey. Hallo. Well, Belle and Dutch. I still can't see who is who. Yes, the right one is Dutch. Dutch, Belle, and Adeline. Reintje, Teije Rein, Dolly, Jake, Elvis, en Reisje. Hey, Sally, Reintje, Dolly, Teije Rein. And in the back, the fillies. Hey, Teije Rein. Hey. Hallo. Rijntje. En Dolly. Rijntje is totally in love. Yes, that's what they do. Oh, horses are strange. I often say that. But she's going to pee, and yes, a stallion, in this case, Teije Rein, the gelding, loves the smell. And then things happen. Oh, Reisie was kicking Sully. Oh. And there's a fly. She's bothered by that fly. Oh, hopefully it's not that painful. Sully was chasing away Reisie, and Reisie was kicking. And that came to Sully's belly. Sorry. Maybe Sully learns this way. She doesn't have to be that mean every time to Reisie. So Reisie, you did a good job. But be careful, please. Bye. And I'm back again. And even Elvis likes a mare who's in heat. How old are you? About half a year? Now he's doing nothing. Yes. Hi.
Hi.
What are we going to do? Can you speak English also?
Little bit.
Ja, goed zo. Goed zo hoeft net in het Engels. They understand goed zo. But what are we going to do?
Ja, dat is een meloen in het Engels trouwens.
We don't know. What is this in English? One melon, think ik.
Yeah, watermelon.
Yes, watermelon, we think. And we thought it's a good idea to give it to the ponies. There they are. So we're going to try. Glendy, Peach, and Daisy. Hey Peach. Kan je Stal eens filmen?
Ja.
Misschien ook het eerst snijden. Okay. Oh, Glendy will eat. I help. Yuck.
No.
Oh, be careful. Come on.
Ik vind het just te lekker.
Ja.
Hallo?
No.
Peach.
Glendy, kom.
Peach.
Hey, do you like it, Peach? Well, I think they like it. Yes?
I think also.
Oh, next time again. Doe maar. Oh, haast. Hoe doen we dat? Zo toch?
Ik weet niet.
Dat wij hem goed leren. Ja. Doe maar. Ja. Doe maar. Okay. That's it. Hey Glendy. Hey. Belle en Blomke. Doe maar. Hello? Yes. Yvke and her little sister Boukje. Come on. Over there, there's some new grass. Oh no. I see something. Belle, her legs are a bit thick. What did you do? Okay. On the inside. Oh. I keep a close eye on Belle. And when it's getting worse, I have to do something about it. But hopefully that's it. Maybe it's going better later. But we shall see. Always something going on. Dolly and Elvis. Oh, she's very fast. Peach. And the others. I think they see me. Daisy and Peach. And over there, Glendy. And I think Glendy is doing okay for how she's walking. Her ears forward. So I think she's happy. And she's not that lame like before. As long as she's like this, she can stay alive. Because last year I wanted to put her to sleep, but I'm glad I didn't. Wow, looks beautiful again. Okay, I bring them in. Who is this? Who knows it? Okay. And this one? Is there also something under? Yes. Then you know that this is Teije Rein and Elvis. And who is this? Who knows? And who's that? And Dolly was over there. And who knows that one? Peach and Reisi. Rising star. You're a bit dirty. What did you do? Aww. How cute. Glendy. Okay, normally Glendy is a bit of a bitch. Can I say that? And Daisy. Oh. Doe maar. Why? Nou, doe maar. Yveske en Boukje? Hallo? Doe. Nou, kom Dolly. Rijntje, doe maar. Reisie. Goed zo. Good morning, ladies. Hey, Belle. Belle, her legs are a bit better. No? Yes. Boukje. Yveske. Lomke. Hey. Kom, Belle. Belle is afraid of Yveske. Look at this. Hey! Oh, that's mean. Hey. Well, it looks better. Kom. Kom here. Kom. Come on, Bella. I help. Come on. Here you can eat. Oh. Oh, that's a lot of mud. Now it's out. And here are the ponies, and I didn't see it yet, but there are some visitors. Hertjes, reetjes, deers. It's still a bit dark, so it's not that sharp, but I love it. Normally they are on the other side of the house, but these are our neighbors. I like it. Poep my skimmel. Very scary. You live, eh? That's Elvis. Hey, Teije Rein. Sally en Rein.
Elvis.
Teije Rein, Reisie, Reintje, Dolly. And they were playing and playing. And I'm too late. Tjerkje. En Rein, Rianne. En Rein. En Herre en Nienke. Tekla. No way, they think. It's way too early. But I have something in mind. Come on! They're not in a hurry. Hey, Teije Rein, I need you. Yes. Oh, braaf. Oh no. Elvis, Dolly, Rijntje en Sally. And Reisje. I thought I'm going to ride Teije Rein. And he misses his hurt. But he's acting okay. Come on. But I have to keep a close eye. How do you see? There are the fillies. He's okay, but he's not that relaxed as normal when all the others are inside the stable. Every day I give Peach some pellets. Come, Peach! Normally she comes. Now she's just walking and... No? Come! Come, Peach! Yes, there she is. Sorry. I always close it like this. Glendy and Daisy. Peach can eat. Teije Rein really want to go outside. So I bring you to the others. Reisje en Rijntje. Ooh, behind. Dolly, Elvis en Sally. Okay. That's it. Hey, Dolly. Hey. Oh, be careful. Goed zo. Teije Rein is protecting his ladies. Sorry, Reisje. Sally. Hey, Elvis. Hey. Debliwe, stay there. Oh. Hi there. Reintje and Teije Rein with beautiful halters. Wow, what a nice surprise. Oh, I really love it. Teije Rein and Reintje. Oh, they are perfect, really. Hey, Rocky. Hi, do you like them too? Well, thank you so much, really, all of you. I got a beautiful note from Yvonne sent it. I saw, and yeah, I love it. Thank you, and thanks for all the help. Thank you all for all the help. I really appreciate it, and I don't know how to thank you for it every time again, but thank you. Thank you. And this nice present. Oh, it's already a bit dirty. Sorry. Well, bye.